Hey folks! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of bartending. We'll explore 5 mixers that are versatile and easy to use. So, let's get started. 1. Club soda. This is the classic choice for a refreshing, low-calorie drink. It's super versatile and pairs well with most liquors. 2. Sprite, a crowd favorite. It adds sweetness and carbonation to your drink, perfect for a tequila slammer. 3. Ginger ale, another great choice for its mild sweetness. It's a hit in a gin and tonic or Moscow Mule cocktail. 4. Lemon juice. This is not just for lemonade. It enhances the flavor of many drinks, especially when paired with whiskey or rum. Adding a splash can elevate your drink game instantly. 5. Simple syrup. This mixer is perfect for mixing with complex flavors like gin or tequila. It adds sweetness without overpowering the drink's other ingredients. Remember, these mixers are just a starting point. Experiment with different combinations to discover your perfect drink. Thanks for joining me today on this mixology journey. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun content. Cheers!